Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to start our new chapter in our English grammar book, chapter number 11, and the name of the chapter is Types of Sentences. The name is Types of Sentences. But before explaining the types of sentences, first I want to tell you the meaning of sentence. That what is a sentence? So, before looking to the definition of sentence, first I want to show you one example. Okay? And just read this example carefully. One sentence I have written. Playing is garden in Ramanda. Again I am reading. Playing is garden in Ramanda. Could you understand what's the meaning of this whole sentence? Your answer is no. There is no meaning, there is no sense of this, whatever it's written here. So, the sentence means sentence is a group of words. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words arranged in such a way, means they are arranged in a manner. Which manner? That it makes complete sense. Means there must be the sense of that arrangement. I have arranged here the words playing is garden in Ramanda, and there is no sense. Now I am trying to make the sense of this sentence. Then I will write here Raman is playing. Raman is playing in the garden. The garden. Now just read this one sentence. First you have read this. Now just read this sentence. Raman is playing in the garden. Means there is a complete sense of the arrangement of the words. Means sentence is a group. Sentence is a group. It's a group of verbs, of words that arranged in, means they must be arranged in a manner that makes a complete sense. Means जो आपने सेंटेंस लिखा है, जिस फॉर्म में आपने वर्ड्स को अरेंज किया है, उनका एक कंप्लीट सेंस, मीनिंगफुल सेंस निकलना चाहिए. Only then it is known as the sentence. So the first example is not a sentence. The second example is the example of a sentence. I hope all of you understand the meaning of sentence. Now I will tell you the types of sentences. Okay? For the types of sentences, first we will see the examples. Okay? So read these sentences carefully. The first sentence is, see on the board, stars shine brightly. Okay? Speak with me again and watch it carefully. Stars shine brightly. Now the second sentence. Do stars shine brightly? Again repeat with me. Do stars shine brightly? Now the third example, or you can say the third sentence. How bright the stars are. Okay? How bright those stars are. Now see these three sentences carefully and just tell me what is the similarity in these three sentences. What are the similarity. So watch these three sentences and tell me the similarity. Okay? There are two similarity in these three sentences. What is the first similarity? The first similarity you can see in these three sentences, the first letter is capital. Okay? This is the first similarity, that the first letter is capital. And this is the rule also of the sentence. ये हर एक sentence का rule होता है, जब भी हम कोई new sentence लिखते हैं, the first letter must be always capital, and it's here. What is the second similarity? The second similarity is stars shine. Shine is a verb, and verb is in all the sentences. Okay? Verb is in all the sentences. You have found two similarities. Okay, just tell me what is the difference in these three sentences. You can see here, and what difference you can see on the board in these sentences. Yes. What is the difference? Very good. There is a difference of a mark that is in the end of the sentence. सेंटेंस के एंड में जो ये मार्क बने हुए हैं, ये तीनों में डिफरेंट है. मीन्स यू हैव फाइंड द डिफरेंस. द डिफरेंस इज दैट इन द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस these marks are different in these three sentences. Okay. Now we will see when should we use this mark and what is the name of this mark and this and this. For this we will just see here types of sentences. Types of sentences are of, you can see here, how many types are there? Yes, three types. First is declarative. Second type is interrogative, and the third type is exclamatory. Okay, the third type is exclamatory. First is declarative. When we are using this type of sentences, makes a statement. Commonly what we are speaking or talking, that all are known as the declarative sentences. That makes a sentence. जो भी हम normal commonly जो भी हम बातें करते हैं, that all are the declarative, that all are the statement. I am talking to you, मैं अभी बोल रही हूँ, तो मैम commonly use sentence use कर रही है. So these all are the declarative sentence or statement. We can say the statement also. Okay, understand? Example is stars shine brightly. Yes, this is well known by everyone that stars shine brightly. That this is a commonly used sentence or a commonly used statement. That makes a statement. आपने जो बोला, simply जो बोला, that all are the statement or the declarative sentence. And the simple example is stars shine brightly. Stars shine brightly. Now you can see here, whenever you are using the declarative sentence or a statement, when you are using, that time you have to use full stop. Full stop means this is the declarative sentence, or you can say this is a statement. If I say it's raining outside, it is raining outside. That is a commonly used sentence. So it is raining outside. I will use here full stop, and it will be known as statement, or I can say here declarative sentence. Okay, that is a statement. This is the first type of sentences. Now we will see the second type. The second type is interrogative. Interrogative means to ask a question. To ask a question. Whenever we are asking something, जब हम किसी से कुछ पूछते हैं, for example, do stars shine brightly? It was simple. Stars brightly shine करते हैं. But the second sentence, क्या की शाइन करते हैं. Means you are asking a question. Whenever you are asking a question means you are using a question mark. And when you are using a question mark, it means that is an interrogative sentence. That is an interrogative sentence. Understand? Now, if I ask you, what is your name? What is your name? Means I am asking a question. So, this sentence, what is your name, is an interrogative sentence. When we are asking question, it means interrogative sentence. The third one is exclamatory. Exclamatory means to show a feeling. When you are showing your feeling, means emotions, excitement, that time you use this sign, this mark. This noun is exclamatory mark. Okay, this mark. And whenever you are using this mark, that sentence is known as exclamatory sentence. That is known as exclamatory sentence. Example: how bright the stars are. Stars जो होते हैं शाइन करते हैं, ब्राइट होते हैं, बट मैं बोलती हूँ बहुत एक्साइटेड होकर मैं बोल रही हूँ वाओ हाउ द ब्राइट द स्टार्स आर. स्टार्स कितने ब्राइट होते हैं, कितना शाइन करते हैं. आई एम एक्सप्रेसिंग माय इमोशंस, माय एक्साइटमेंट मीन्स आई एम शोइंग माय फीलिंग. So whenever you are showing the feeling, that time you use the exclamatory sign and the sentence is known as exclamatory sentence. I hope all of you understand types of sentences: declarative, interrogative and exclamatory. Understand? Makes a statement to ask a question and to show the feeling. More example you can see in your book also when we will do the exercise. Okay students, thank you. Goodbye.